I shouldn't have trusted Persona. I've always known she's obsessed with me. How could I have been so dumb? What do I do now? The cops are my last option. Please, come help us. Me and my baby are going to die. Stay calm, little one.
My plan worked perfectly. You'll never get in my way again, Ballerina.
Hands up, Persona!
Traps deactivated!
Mommy's here, baby. It's okay. Huh? We're still alive. The cops found us.
Watch it!
Ballerina! You can live in the house now. It's safe.
Are you sure?
Totally!
I'm so sick of her stealing everything from me.
Bye, dummy.
Oh.
Let me go! Where am I?
You'll thank me soon. I'm gonna turn you into your best self.
What are you doing to me?
My experiment is a success!
You'll win a Nobel Prize for this.
I don't want to transform. I don't want to
Be a monster!
It actually works.
The beast has been unleashed! Now I'll destroy you all!
No, run! This wasn't part of the plan!
You'll be my first victim, but not the last! Now I'm free!
Sorry, guys, but losing's not in my blood. What? Everybody run for your lives!
What was that?
Guys, look at that! The giant's coming right at us!
I'll kill you all!
I think he's gonna kill us!
This is the new version of Tung 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 Sword! You better get used to it!
Oh, Tong, this isn't you.
Wanna bet?
Don't hurt me. I'm begging you, Tong. Please, no.
This is your end! Tung Tung will never show mercy again!
Me neither!
What?
You're nothing but a poorly cut log!
You're so brave, Shorty!
I'm okay.
Now you're part of my team!
Cappuccino!
Let's get out of here before we get killed!
Beating me ain't easy! After them!
Let's go.
Don't worry, Ballerina. I'll run to the ends of the earth if I have to. You won't make it that far! Crap. I'll curse you! Huh? You can't escape me! Stop running, coward! I'll catch you anyway!
Oh, no.
Oh, no! Let's go! It's your turn to be cursed. You'll join us!
Oh, no, I can't let this happen. That's why I'm throwing down a reverse, you idiot.
What?
I'm out of here!
Oh, what the heck is going on? Did it work? Oh, dang it.
I've always wanted to fly!
Well, that was unexpected.
Why haven't those two evolved yet? I'll take care of it.
That's not necessary.
You'll thank me later! You're gonna love this new version!
Did she already cast the curse? Hey, wait, not yet, laugh!
That wasn't the plan. Sorry.
Stupid cow!
I am.
Honey will fix this.
You don't know a thing about food. Huh? What is that?
Breaking stuff is way more fun than I thought! Yes!
This one should come.
I'll destroy everything!
What the heck is going on?
We don't know. What is that?
I know what it is.
Look, a crazy hobo.
I'm the scientist that started all of this.
Do you know how to fix it?
With blue evolutions.
More evolutions?
Wanna be heroes?
Heroes? Count us in.
You'll save everyone.
I want to save them, but I don't know how. Huh?
Don't be scared, girl.
All right, I'll do it. Stop! You're burning me! Let go!
I'll kill you, Cappuccino. You'll see.
Quick, drink this.
Whoa, this feels so weird. It's like power's rushing through my whole body.
Now I know what it feels like to be invincible! Yeah, I love it!
Now we're real superheroes.
Oh, you want to fight? Then let's fight.
Let the game begin!
Yeah, let's see who wins.
You don't stand a chance. Fight!
Take this, idiot!
Die.
You talk too much.
Let's see you dodge this.
Too easy.
I thought you were stronger!
Let me go.
You bastard.
Watch how I kill you!
Let go of me! Oh! Die!
We won!
That was actually easy as pie. Huh?
Don't celebrate just yet, tiny guys! Tung Tung is truly invincible now, and I'll show no mercy!